Hi everyone, so I hope you're doing good and you're safe. Today is kind of exciting because I will be sharing with you my top 8 favorite applications or websites that I actually use during this quarantine period. So without further ado, let's start. The first one is Google Photos. I know everyone or most of you already know about this application because it's basically a home for all of your photos and videos. It has an unlimited storage, you can upload it in the cloud, and you can revisit your photos or videos anytime you want. And what I like about this application is that you could also create albums and share it with other people. So let's say I have a family trip or trip with friends, I would immediately upload it to Google Photos and then share the link, create an album and then share the link to my friends. That easy. So I love this app. The second application or applications, I should say, are actually part of the e-commerce industry. And I know this is very popular. Drumroll please. Lazada and Shopee applications. So I cannot emphasize the fact that these apps are very convenient to use, especially during a pandemic where we are expected to stay at home. Everything you need, literally everything, anything actually, you could find it in Lazada and Shopee. So I've used these apps, both of them, a couple of times whenever I need something. And I like the fact that you can actually get discounts and freebies by playing games in their applications. And sometimes you could get like coupon that would get you a free shipping. So they're actually cheaper compared to physical stores outside. So I really recommend that if you need something or you need to buy anything, just go to Lazada and Shopee. My third favorite application during this quarantine period is the Nike Training Club. So I've been using this application for a while. It was recommended to me by a friend, and I really love that I can choose what type of workout I do for that day, and it would also give me the moderation per workout. And you would actually, if you don't have equipment or you have equipment in the house, then that's okay also, because you can choose, you can filter it by the type of equipment you have. I love the fact that I could explore different workouts in that application. It gives you the record or the ability to track your progress, and they also give you achievements per week, and it's so nice to use. Plus I love that they are giving you videos to guide you on your form and your routine. So I really like this NTC app. I hope you could check it out. So the fourth application is actually something that I've been using for years now, and this is the Canva app. It's very user friendly. I like the UI, and it's very convenient to use. I would use it whenever I would give out invites or like something to read on for my events or infographics, and I even use it for my YouTube thumbnails. You can choose from a lot of templates in that application, and you can edit it. You can edit the font style, the color, and even the objects in that template. And it's easily shareable. You can share it to your social media platforms, or you can save it in your phone. I like the fact that they made it easier for people to design something. Remember that design is very important, especially when you are trying to convey information, because most of us are visual learners, and by using the Canva app, it actually changed the game for me. I just have to download it from the App Store, and after that, I could easily create my templates that I could share in my social media platforms, or I could print. It's actually easy to use, as I've said a while ago. So check that out. The fifth app is actually an app that I recently downloaded because I found out about this one from a vlogger. And I believe that this is one of the productivity apps that you should have in your phone or in your laptop. This is called Notion. So it basically stores everything for you. If you have notes, if you have recipes or files or videos that you would want to put in one section or in one notebook, then this app is very perfect for you. I believe that most of the students would love this app because if you're like me, that is very obsessed with organizing my life files, work, personal, thoughts, and everything, then you should use this app because it also provides you like notebooks and sublets, and you could also have your to-do list for the day and also your schedule for the day or for the month. It is very good to use, especially if you like organizing. The next application is something that I have mentioned in my previous videos before, and I believe that this is very important, especially during these trying times. And the app is called Money Manager. It helps you track and record your expenses, your income, and I like the fact that you could create categories or classifications for your income and expenses. So as for me, I record everything, every single expense and every type of income that I have, and it gives me an overview of my financial status at the end of the month, and it actually helps me align my financial goals. So I suggest, if you're still doing the manual listing down of your expenses and your income, I suggest that you try to download this application and see for yourself, because it is also very easy to use, and they have good reports and graphs that would really help you decide on what type of expense you have to trim down, or if you need to have an additional source of income. So I suggest you check it out. The second to the last application or website that I'm really loving, especially during these times, is actually a site that I visit whenever I would transfer files or videos to someone who is not located here in the Philippines. So it is WeShare. It's called WeShare, and you can transfer videos or files all over the world up to 2 gigabytes free. So I recently used this app to transfer a video. I think it's a 3 or 4 minute video that I uploaded to that site, and afterwards I sent it to my colleague's email address. And it's very easy to use. You don't have to register. Just go to the link. I will put it down below, and just upload your video, and afterwards it will create a link which you can send to your friend or your coworker, or you can actually send that one to the email address of that person that you want to send the video to. And last but not the least, one of my favorite apps, it's called EDX. It's actually an online course application wherein you can join thousands of free courses that are coming from top tier universities around the world. I highly suggest, especially for the students, to download this app and look for something that would interest you and join the class and get better, because the only thing that you can control, especially in this time of pandemic, is the things that you think and the things that you're actually doing for yourself. So I suggest, instead of doing something that is not helpful for you, download this app and enroll for online courses. And there are lots of courses that are free. So yeah, and there you have it, guys. Thank you for giving your time and watching this video, and I hope you learned something or discovered an app that would help you in your day-to-day life. And if you need me to assist you on how to use those apps that I've mentioned before, just don't hesitate to send me a message or comment in the comment section down below, and I'll answer it for you. So thank you for watching, and till our next video. Bye!